Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually filming my intro through my phone. So I just wanted to show you guys how I got these super cute nails at home. A friend of mine, glamxgab, actually recommended them to me. And honestly, they're the best press-on nails I've ever tried. They're super easy to use and they're extremely affordable. I did get them off of Amazon, so make sure you guys check the link down below. I will be linking the nails and the glue that I got. But before I do, please don't forget to check me out on Instagram. You guys can find me at glamxgab. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to get these nails. Alright, so this is what my nails look like currently. They are a mess. So I'm going to start off by dipping my nails into some warm water. I'm going to leave them in here for about a minute or so. This is going to help soften up the cuticle so that it's easier for me to push it back. So to push back the cuticle, I'm taking one of the press-on nails and I'm just pushing the cuticle back. Once the cuticle is pressed back, you can leave it like this. I'm going to cut it off because I feel like it looks a little cleaner. So I'm going to take some cuticle cutters and begin to cut off the cuticle that I pushed back. If you do choose to cut the cuticle off, just be careful because it is pretty hard and I've cut myself in the past, so just be careful. So this is as good as it's going to get with the cuticles cut off. So next I'm going to take my press-on nails, and in this bag there's a bunch of different sizes, so you just want to choose the size that suits your nail the best. So next I'm going to take some glue. This is by Kiss. So here I'm adding a couple drops of the glue, but I recommend to apply just a little bit more because this nail ended up coming off later on and I had to re-glue it. So I would recommend to add a couple more drops and make sure you really spread it and then apply it. Also, when you're applying the press-ons, you want to make sure that you're holding it down for about 5 to 10 seconds. This is going to help make sure that they're really staying on there. So this is what the nails look like without having anything done to them. However, I like more of an almond shape, so I'm going to take my scissors and cut them. And then I'm going to take my nail file and begin to file them into more of an almond shape. Honestly, I recommend these nails 100%. They are incredibly sturdy and they're such good quality. They pretty much feel like the ones that you would get at a salon, but just a little thinner. So here are the nails once they're all filed. For the nail polish, I'm going to use OPI's Bubble Bath and I'm going to do about 2 coats on each nail. Then I'm going to take an old makeup brush and a little bit of acetone and start to clean up the nails. And lastly, I'm applying a top coat to make sure that they're nice and shiny. And there you have it, your own press-on nails that look salon quality at home. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And like I said, if you guys are interested in purchasing these nails for yourself, I will have them linked down below in the description, so make sure to check there. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below and I will get back to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys later.